Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Form 1040X, amended US individual income tax return. Guys, many of us think taxes are a set it or forget it task. This is not actually the case. In fact, if you find any error or you left out any information on your original tax return, you can use Form 1040X, amended tax return to file a corrected version. 1040X is a form which is filed by the taxpayer who needed to amend their tax returns. The form must be filed within 3 years after the original tax return was filed or within 2 years after the tax was paid, whichever is later. So guys, if you want to amend or correct any information of your original return, you can use Form 1040X. Now, what are the benefits of filing an IRS amended tax return? You can believe it or not, using an amended tax return can result in major benefits such as claiming a tax credit, taking a deduction you missed, reporting additional income and withholding. In fact, by filing 1040X form for an amended return, you might receive an additional refund or owe additional taxes as a result of the correction. Now, if you don't do a refund, IRS will send it to you after it accepts your amended return. If you owe taxes, send the amount owed to the IRS along with the 1040X tax form. If you owe interest or a penalty, the IRS will bill you. What to look for when you file the 1040X form? When you amend a return for a specific reason, it's good idea to review your entire original return. Look for the following things might have missed the first time around, like deductions, credits, exemptions, income, withholding. When you do this, you might wind up owing less money or getting more of a refund. Who can file an amended tax return using Form 1040X? You can amend your taxes as long as your original tax return was prepared using Form 1040 or 1040 SR. What to include in your amended tax form? Guys, this is very important part. When you file a 1040X tax form, you might wonder that what to include in your amended return. You will need to attach these items if you need to prove the changes on your amended return. A copy of the federal refund deposit slip, any previously unsubmitted W-2 or 1099 forms, any other substantial forms, schedules or documentations supporting the amended return. To file an amended tax return, you can either e-file or download a paper from 1040X form from www.irs.gov website. You must mail the paper form if you choose to paper file. You can also do so with the help of the IRS website and IRS instructions with various filing options and products. Now, coming to the due date of filing Form 1040X. To obtain a refund, you usually must file an amended tax return by the later of the dates. Within 3 years from the date you have filed your original return, within 2 years from the date you pay the taxes. Right? I have already discussed it earlier. If you receive an extension, the filing date is one of these. Actual date you filed your return with the extension period. Tax deadline if you file your return after that extension period expired. If you are filing an amended tax return due to a bad date or a voteless security, you have more time to file. In this case, you have 7 years after your original return due date to file the amended return. If you are a business owner, you can also file an amended tax return for a year when you carried a net operating loss (NOL). You must file the amended return within 3 years of the due date of the return for the NOL year. IRS usually has 3 years to assess additional taxes. However, longer periods are allowed for significant under-reporting of income and frauds. Once you have mailed in your federal tax amended form 1040X, it can take up to 16 weeks, that is 4 months from IRS receipt date until the form is processed. You can check the status of your amended tax return on the IRS amended return status tool by clicking the button, and also you can understand what is the federal tax amended return status. You can also call the IRS amended return helpline number. If you are amending a return in order to get an additional tax refund, you can go ahead and cash or deposit any refund you get in the meantime. However, do not file your amended return until after you have received the refund. It generally takes the IRS 16 weeks or 4 months, what I have already discussed, to process an amended return. So you should wait for at least 12 weeks before checking on the status of your new amended tax return. Once your amended tax return has been processed, you will receive any additional refund you are owed. If it has been over 16 weeks and you still have not received any amended tax return check, you can find more information about your refund by calling the IRS amendment hotline. What happens if you amend more than one tax return? You can file more than one tax return, but if you file 2 or more amendments at the same time, you should use a different form 1040X for each tax year. Make sure that you enter the correct tax year at the top of each 1040X form. Sign each amended tax return and mail each one in a separate envelope to the IRS. If you have more, now there are some more questions, or there are some more reasons. Okay, before that, I would like to say that if you need to amend your 2019 and 2020 tax returns of Form 1040 and 1040 SR, you can e-file or electronically submit your 1040X amended US individual tax return using the available software. But there may be some reasons that an amended tax return cannot be filed electronically. The following reasons are: only the tax year 2019 and 2020 1040 and 1040 SR returns can be amended electronically at this time. Amended returns for any other tax year or tax types must be filed by paper. There must be a record of an original electronically filed tax return for tax year 2019 or tax year 2020. If the original tax return 2019 or tax return 2020 was filed by paper, then it must be amended by paper as well. If the primary social security number is different from the provided on the original return, then the amended return must be filed by paper. If the spouse social security number, if applicable, is different from the one provided on the original tax return, then also amended return must be filed by paper. If the filing status is different from the filing status on the original return, then the amended return must be filed by paper. So these are the criteria. So these are the reasons that you cannot file your amended tax return electronically. Now, what I have discussed, I want to show you in a shorter trick so that you will have a better idea. Now coming to other forms, 1040X amended tax return. Clicking there, you can see a pop-up is showing here. Autofill screen. Just click here, yes. You can see from line 1 to line 18 is flowing here. Also, please read the line. 1040X cannot be e-filed if filing status on the amended return does not match the filing status on the original return. Guys, if you change your filing status in the amended tax return from your original tax return, then 1040X cannot be e-filed. I have already discussed that. Also, the part 1 comes to exemption part. Part 2 is for the information about the amended return and the amounts, and part 3 is for the explanation of changes. Suppose you forgot to report rental income in your original return, and now you want to rectify your mistake, and you are willing to submit 1040X for that mistake. You can correct or explanation of changes here, like rental income was not reported on the original tax return. This is the reason you are amending. Now Control V. See, 1040X is flowing. Also the 1040. Here you can see the form. Guys, A, original amount, C, corrected amount, income and deduction, tax liability, payments, refunds you owe. So this is all about form 1040X. There are 4 parts: income and deduction, tax liability, payments, and refund and or amount you owe. So guys, you can check if there are any difference, then the correct amount should be different from the original amount. It should not match the original amount or original tax return. This is the page 2, and this is the explanation. Rental income was not reported on the original tax return, or whatever the reason you want to amend the tax return. Everything will flow here on 1040X form. So guys, you can e-file 1040X for 2019 and 2020 tax year, what I have already discussed in the video. Also, I just want to repeat what I have already discussed. So basically, this form is filed by the taxpayer who need to amend their tax returns. The form must be filed within 3 years after the original return was filed, or within 2 years after the tax was paid, whichever is later. Guys, please remember this point. This is very important. Now, the different criteria or different ideas about IRS amended tax return or 1040X. So, what are the benefits of filing 1040X? The major benefits are such as claiming a tax credit, taking a deduction you missed, reporting additional income or withholding. In fact, by filing 1040X form for an amended return, you might receive an additional refund or additional taxes as a result of the correction. If you are due a refund, the IRS will send it to you after it accepts the amended tax return. If you owe tax, send the amount owed to the IRS along with the 1040X form. If you owed interest or a penalty, IRS will bill you. So this is the penalty and interest P&I calculation if you owe any taxes to IRS. What you need to do when you file 1040X? I have discussed that you need to be cautious about deduction, credit, exemption, income and withholding part. Now, what to include in your amended tax return? When you file 1040X, you might wonder what to include in your amended return. You need to attach these items if you need to prove the changes on your return: a copy of the federal refund deposit slip, any previously submitted W2 on 1099 forms, any other substantiating forms, schedules or documentation supporting the amended return. To file an amended tax return, you can either e-file or download a paper form 1040X from IRS website. If you must mail the paper form if you choose to paper file. But I have already discussed that you can e-file for 2019 and 2020 tax year. To obtain a refund, you usually must file an amended return by the later of the dates. Within 3 years from the date you have filed the original return, within 2 years from the date you pay the taxes. If you receive an extension, the filing date is one of these: actual date you file your tax return within the extension period, or tax deadline if you file your return after the extension period expires. IRS has usually 3 years to assess additional taxes. However, longer periods are allowed for significant underreporting of income tax and fraud. So guys, this is all about Form 1040X. I believe you have understood. Goodbye.